I'm here to announce today the launch of a brand new travel website, mytravelweekend.com. My name is John, and I'm your travel guide. What this site is going to be comprised of is the destination locations of Louisiana, Oklahoma, Texas, and the Southwest United States. It's going to include destination locations, travel pit stops, food locations, park and recreation areas, casinos, and things to do. Let's get started. Alright, in setting up this clip this afternoon, we're going to Richard Simpson Park in Arlington, Texas. This is one of Arlington's many parks. This park offers boating access, water activities, sportsmen's activities, barbecue pit access, and a covered recreation area. It's a great place to spend the afternoon with your family. I hope you enjoy.